scene and thus made history.
Nearly fell out of it.
Home, home, home. Will I ever get the hang of this newfangled tool? It's supposed to be fun.
You sure they like their lawnmowers?
Welcome to the British Lawnmower Museum, the nation's foremost museum of garden machinery history. Lawnmowers are a very British obsession. We manufacture the best lawnmowers in the world, but sadly have lost virtually all our British lawnmower companies. Nowadays, most people are replacing their old lawnmower purchase a grass cutter without knowing it, and consequently, we are losing all our lawns as well. The museum collection was started over 60
Is that
years
James
ago,
May?
when most of the machines you see have been thrown away. Destined for the scrapyard, the machines were saved and restored by our dedicated team of horticultural engineers. A period from when the company was founded in 1945, the Southport's first DIY shop, to the present day. In the museum, you will discover a unique insight into the